The PS6 has a manufacturing cost of $760. A Sony employee says the PS6 it has a manufacturing cost of $60 and believes there are chances that Sony I ended up selling the console for $699. That is, in losses in case Microsoft's Project Helix turns out to be PTPT sales competition. Because of this, and that the Xbox brand becomes less and less popular, Sony would not consider Microsoft as a rival in consoles, and not it is ruled out that he takes the opportunity to put a higher price and thus not sell PS6 with losses. The fans have already shown that they are willing to pay and wait for years for these consoles. Here in console generation, Sony has proven to be clearly superior to Microsoft. Than its Xbox Series X and S they have sold much less than the consoles from Japanese brands. In the next console generation there are not many hopes in Project as some bestseller, because it is a Steam Machine hybrid console, will combine PC games plus Xbox console, but with a very high price. This high price is what will make them leave back console users traditional people who would expect a new Xbox for $500 or $00 at most, when in the reality is that it probably costs double.